Fully open the roof. Turn off the ignition, then pull the middle cover forward and slightly upward. The convertible roof controller. One is located directly beneath the component that has just been removed. Note the metal clips. 2 on the decorative cover. There should be 8 of them. If some of them are stuck in the vehicle body sockets instead of being attached to the decorative cover, please remove and reinstall them as shown here. Remove the torque screws 1 and 2 on both sides of the top control unit. Pull out the top control unit as far as possible. Then replace the second one with the left 1 gray connector and the far right 2. The green connector in the module wiring harness. Made the original connectors with the matching sockets on the harness, ensuring they lock firmly in place. Connect the module to the harness, then press the key unlock button. The green LED on the module should flash. Reassemble all components, then start closing the top and stop it. When the rear cover is open with the convertible top half open, locate the alarm contact on the right side of the vehicle and remove the lever. Removing the lever will have no negative impact. Now, the alarm will no longer monitor the convertible top cover at all, which allows the roof to be closed via the remote control without triggering the alarm. The lever and spring should be stored for future use.